Alright YouTube, it's me Austin from just Raw Film Productions, and this is the aftermath of last night's blizzard. Now, according to what the weather forecast said, this winter storm that's called Garretson has put around 50-mile-an-hour winds last night. Luckily, we didn't lose power. However, my friend Joey has lost power, and he's waiting for it to be restored. So, now, the temperatures are supposed to get down to around 15 degrees, so all this is going to be transitioning to ice, and that's going to be very treacherous for those of you that are driving. Alright, let me tilt the camera up so you can see. And people are starting to shove their driveways so they can get out. Now, for those of you that are planning to rail fin today, I would not recommend it. So you might want to schedule a rail fin trip when all this crap melts. Now, this section right here, I can tell that it's already starting to freeze over. And pretty soon tomorrow, this is going to be all ice, because the temperatures are going to be plummeting below freezing, around 15 degrees. And hopefully all this will be melting by Monday. So this is probably good, around 5 to 6 inches of snow, which is about the same amount that we had last year. And I think the previous year before that, in 2015. And tomorrow I'll be doing the walk around in the neighborhood too. Man, my hands are freezing, so I gotta make this kind of quick before I get frostbite. Alright, the wind is starting to pick up again, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the backyard of my house. In fact, it's so cold out right now that I can see my breath. And we're supposed to get around, I think, a 2-degree wind chill. So it's gonna feel like 2 degrees at night. Luckily, we're the lucky ones that did not lose power. Unfortunately, my friend Joey does. He told me that his neighbor does have a backup generator to restore power, but that's only going to be limited to around 4 hours. So, whenever the power gets restored up in First Colonial, then that will hopefully power will be restored. I kind of feel bad for him. So I'm going to show you my backyard real quick. Then again, I have to make this kind of quick because my hands are starting to freeze. And this section, I can feel that it's getting very slippery right here. This is starting to turn to ice right here. Now, as I said, the wind gusts were about 50 miles an hour. And because of that, we had several drifts of snow or in certain places, which you can see right here near my air conditioner and my pool pump. Oh goodness, my hands are freezing. But anyways, thank you guys for watching.